Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a time tracking system with Toggl, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a time tracking system with Toggl, start by visiting the Toggl website. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the home page. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your details, click on the sign up button again to proceed. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Toggl. Click the confirmation link in the email to activate your account. Once confirmed, log into your new account on the Toggl website. Upon logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, which includes features like the timer, reports, and projects. To set up your first project, click on the Projects tab in the sidebar. Then, click the New Project button. Enter a name for your project in the designated field. Optionally, you can assign a specific client to the project if needed. You can also choose a color for easy identification. Once you've filled in the details, click Create Project to save it. Now, let's start tracking your time. Return to the dashboard and locate the timer at the top of the page. Click the Start button to begin tracking your time. During the session, enter a description of the task you are working on. If applicable, select the project you just created from the drop-down menu. When you finish the task, click the Stop button to end the timer. Your track time will automatically be logged in the time entry section. To edit this entry, click on it and make any necessary adjustments. You can change the time, project, or description as needed. To view your reports, click on the Reports tab in the sidebar. Choose the time frame you want to analyze, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Toggl will generate a report showing all your tracked entries within the selected period. This data can help you identify patterns in your productivity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.